Hey friends, today I wanted to talk to you about a really cool new feature that my brother mentioned to me on the Apple iPhone. This is a new feature that came out and it is the year 2024. So I figured I would show this and share this. This little feature is delayed send on your texts. Now this works from iMessenger, people with an iPhone, from iMessenger to iMessenger. So you're able to do that now, which is a great feature. If you've ever had that problem of wanting to send somebody a text, maybe it's late at night and you know you shouldn't send the text, but it's on your mind and you want to get it off your plate, this is a great way to put that text in queue for the next day or several days later. There's a lot of follow-ups and other things that you might want to put in play. And so this is a great feature that's in there. If you think about delayed send on email, this is very similar to that. So all you've got to do in the iPhone is go under your message, and over on the left side, you're going to see a little plus icon. If you're going from one iPhone to another iPhone or somebody on iMessenger, you'll be able to click the plus sign and you'll see delayed send. Then it'll let you choose the date and the time that you want to hit send on. You can click send on that. And then let's say you have something you want to send in the meantime, you can actually send something else above that and know that you've got your follow-up scheduled for the future. So pretty cool feature. Really happy Apple came out with this. I will say one of the gaps with Apple, in my opinion, is they're great at making things that are really good products and really good features, but sometimes they forget to communicate those, or they don't have a great way to communicate that. I'm sure a lot of the Apple lovers will tell you, hey, you've got to read the press releases and you got to stay tuned with other people's content. But I really kind of wish there was a better hands-on training manual when things came out. And I say training manual, video or something like that, that would make it easy to understand this sort of thing. So that is what we got with the new iPhone delayed send on their texts. Great feature. Try it out. See if you like it. If you haven't heard about that or you appreciated this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day.